picture here I drew all by myself. Believe it. It's in a composition book. It's cool thing. Okay, so sorry about that. Something gets in my eye a million times and I hate it. So I want to express my talent. Express my talent with drawing. And I love drawing. I'm a crafty kind of girl. So I made this. It is with Stacy with Dogcraft. I love her channel. It's awesome. She has Dogcraft. I like candy. ISO, I think something. And she has lots of videos. She has videos of dogs. But this is my craft. Dogcraft, actually. Yeah, Dogcraft. And she has long dogs. She has so this picture has 3 trees. A hill and a little water. There is a zombie, a skeleton, and a creeper. There is a German Shepherd stuck in a tree, and Stacy's trying to get it down. And then when she gets down, you might think it might die. No. It falls into the little water source. And then she has the doggy biscuits in her hand. So instantly she can try to tame it, and then she'll get her doggy defender out. And it's just a regular diamond sword. It is enchanted, I think. And she will kill the mobs, and she might get her bow for some of them, like the creeper and skeleton. But the zombie definitely the doggy defender. And so when you get the dog, you have to always make sure you have a leash, a collar, and doggy biscuits. You use the doggy biscuits to tame the dog. You use the collar when you see the tail wagging. You use the collar and you put it on the dog. And then when you have the collar on the dog, you can leash the dog. If you don't have the collar, you cannot leash the dog. Remember that. Okay, so this is my Minecraft. My Minecraft Stacy picture. Tell me in the subscription if you like it, if you like the story to it, or if you just don't like it and it's not what you like. Thank you very much. So you just tell me in the comments below if you do like it, don't like it, it's not your sort of thing. I love it. You love the story to it. Just tell me, okay? So that's all I have to say for now. Goodbye.